Welcome to the CAD Builder video tutorial series. Today we are going to be discussing some of the new controls that were added within the wireframe editor. Let's start by opening a design with some cabinets already in it. Now we are going to select a cabinet, open up the wireframe editor, and take a look at the front and inside sections. First, in the front section, select the top left drawer and then look at the right side options. In the Dimensions section, you will notice there are a few new arrows next to the dimension boxes. These new arrows allow you to control which direction you are applying the new size to. In the Cell Width box, click on the arrow until it points to the right. Then slowly click the plus button to the right of the text box in order to visualize how it will change the width in that direction. Next, we will want to select another one of our drawers and select Add Vertical so that it will split into two sections. With this new drawer made, let's select it, and this time we're going to select the arrow until it changes to the left and right arrow, meaning our new dimension will be applied equally to both sides. Now add a few inches to view how the new dimensions gets added. You will notice a fixed width section. The fixed width will allow you to determine which section you want to fix, so it will always stay the same size while editing the openings next to it. One thing about the fixed width is now you cannot select the center section and add dimensions to both sides. This will provide an error message because it can't change the size of a fixed cell. Changing the arrow to the opposite direction will then work editing away from the fixed cell. Let's go ahead and place a utility cabinet by typing in UC369624 in the search field, or you can navigate to it by opening the following folders: Tall, then Utility Cabinet 24 inches deep, double door, Utility Cabinet 24 inches deep by 96 inches high, and then select UC369624. We'll open the wireframe editor for this cabinet and select the front sections icon at the top. Now delete the bottom two doors and the mid-stile between them. Add a horizontal to the new opening for our appliance. We will leave this as is and resize it later. Now select the bottom section, select multiple horizontals, and split it into 4 sections for a drawer stack. Now let's begin resizing our cells. For our top doors, we will set these to a fixed height by selecting each of the doors and clicking Fixed Height on the right side of the screen. Next, we will edit the size of our appliance opening. For this opening, we will keep the width at 33 inches. For the cell height section, let's left-click on the arrow until it points down and make it 22 inches high. As you can see here, it will extend the height of the box beneath it. Now we will need to resize the drawers. Select the top drawer, click the arrow down again, and let's make the drawer stacks 9 inches tall. Select the second drawer box, select the height arrow down, and again change the value to 9 inches, and repeat the process for the third drawer box. The last drawer box will not need to be changed, so we will keep it at 9.5 inches. Remember to go back and assign each type to each cell. So we'll select the drawers and change the type from open to drawer, and then make sure the appliance opening is set to open. Now select each drawer stack line and add stretchers, except for the top line that separates the drawer stack to the main appliance opening. This one should be a fixed shelf with 0 inches from the front. And now your updated cabinet is complete. After reviewing this example, we hope that it will give you a better understanding of our new features in our cabinet wireframe editor and make it even easier to create cabinets to your specifications. Thank you, and we will see you in the next video. To view additional video tutorials, please visit www.cabbuildersoftware.com/training.